Hey everybody, Mr. Lecitus here. This is our last test review video of the year. So if you've been watching them, thanks for watching. And if this was YouTube, I would ask for your thumbs up, but it's not. So anyway, we'll get started. This is test 9.6. It's on numerical expressions, and we're going to have kind of an extra long review because we don't have live lessons for most of these. And so we'll be a little bit longer than normal, split up into probably 4 different videos. So take your time walking through them, and then good luck on the time to climb at the end. So here we go. Number one, it says in questions 1A to 1D, this is just from some extra work that I have through Pearson. So same as your Connexus types of questions. Which expressions are equal to 10? We're going to choose yes or no. So in order to do that, we're going to just have to solve all of these, unless you can tell right away. So let's solve them. 1A, we got to remember our rules, which is PEMDAS. Probably the easiest way to remember it. And that stands for parentheses and then exponents, which we won't have to worry about this year. Multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. So that's the order of operations. So if I look at 1A, I need to do 45 divided by 9 first because it's in the parentheses. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. So I would rewrite this as 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 does equal 10, so that one would be a yes. Let's look at the next one. Again, we need to do these in order. There's no parentheses, so I don't have to worry about that for 1B, but there is multiplication. That's 7 times 2, so I need to do that first. 7 times 2 is 14, so that means I will rewrite this as 24 minus 14, and 24 minus 14 does equal 10, so I'll go ahead and check yes on that. Here's the reason. If we were to do the subtraction first, we'd get a totally different answer. If we did 24 minus 7 first, 24 minus 7 is 17, and 17 times 2 is 34. So that is not the way we want to do it, and we would have checked no here. That's incorrect. We have to do multiplication and division first, even if it comes further to the right than addition and subtraction. So very similar to 1C, where we have 1 plus 4 times 2, we need to do the 4 times 2 first, and then add the 1. So 4 times 2 is 8. So I'll rewrite this, and I would encourage you to rewrite after each step until you really get them down. So it goes from 1 plus 4 times 2 to 1 plus 8, and 1 plus 8 equals 9, so this one is a no. And the next one, again, we're going to do what's in parentheses first, and then do what's not in parentheses. So 2 times 25, that is 50. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So those are my two parentheses. Now I'll go and do the division. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. So another one that is a yes. All right, let's head out to number 2. See if we can get 2 in one video here. Well, these are very similar to what we just did. We have to just follow our rules of PEMDAS. So I will write that up here. Anytime I have one of these until I remember it, I just go ahead and write it in the corner and solve. And I'll actually do this in another video. We'll solve these two in another video.